Good good evening.
Good evening, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah. Good evening. Welcome. What do you see on the screen now? Are you seeing Ecgc
Yes,
or
sir.
something? OneDrive you are seeing? Acha. Just a minute. OneDrive. OneDrive you are getting. Acha. Good. Yeah. I'm having your CV before me. Please introduce yourself. This is second interview or first interview for you with me?
Second.
Second. Very good. Please introduce yourself to me.
My name is Ecgc. I belong to Committee Ramanathapuram district. I'm a civil engineering graduate with 18 documents of civil data specialist. I have worked at the solution.
There is some problem in sound. Are you using earphone?
Yes, sir.
Now speak. Speak. Now speak. There is. You are using mobile internet or what?
Yes, mobile.
But you please sit in a place where you are getting very good signal. Because you are not going to come in person. Your video is not going to be there. You can even go to your upstairs or balcony and talk from there, because the voice is breaking very much.
Now, sir, am I audible?
And now it is okay. Good. Now it is okay. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear.
Very good. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Karthikeyan. I belong to Committee Ramanathapuram district. Nadu. I'm a civil engineering graduate with 18 documents experience as a civil data specialist. I had worked at E.P.F.O solution in private limited. I had graduated from a PhD College of Technology, Coimbatore, 2009. About my family, we are four. My father is a Tamil Nadu State Transport Corporation. My mother is a teacher. My younger sister, she has completed first.
Okay.
Apart from that, I think every year.
Yeah.
My
Now,
hobbies.
Tell me.
My hobbies are cycling and listening to music, and I know to play mridangam.
Very good. Very good. You also play mridangam. Good. Excellent. Now, you studied civil engineering and thereafter you worked with E.Nova solution. What is that? E.Nova solution. Solution. What are they doing?
They are doing multiple projects like chip verification, SAP business. And my project was completely civil engineering related. Three insurance domains.
Achha, you were mainly concentrating on digital asset management.
Yes, sir.
What is digital asset management and what was the role played by you therein?
Mainly digital asset management concerns with the properties. We have dealt with building property, both commercial and we are doing the detections on that. Like what is the shape of the roof, what is the material used, what is the level of damage, the trees overhang or not. So to ensure the building better, so we had detected the building and given to our clients. They insure the properties to their customers.
Good.
Others we used better view software. That's basically managing the properties digitally. That was digital asset management.
So you were operating for your US client, Better View. What are they doing? Better View people?
So they are property intelligence platform.
Oh.
Most of the insurance companies contact with better view to
Ah,
have the idea about the building.
oh, the strength of the building and all that. Very
Yes,
good.
sir. Quality, to know the age of the building, to do the insurance facilities.
Mhm. Very good. Good. Music, cycling, watching movies, exploring, involving social activities. What can you explain about social activities?
In my college times, there was a flood happened in Tanjavur. So we collected more like money, items, clothes, giving give that items to the people who are affected.
Mhm.
And like social activities means
Mm.
I can say that this kind of social related orphanage camps like this, I'm very interested.
No, you must explain properly. I used to visit orphan homes
Yes,
and
yes.
do like this and teach them or do something. So you must be able to explain properly. Okay. Now tell me, what are your strengths?
So basically, I'm an NCC cadre. So
Mm.
I was good in time management, and I have a multitasking skill. I used to do when I was in NCC, and we used to organize every activities and like rallies, awareness campaigns, and I lead the team. Like while I was doing my presentation, so I came forward and take the initiative, and we organized more activities. So basically,
Basically,
I can say that time management and multitasking skill.
okay.
I can say.
Tell me about an accomplishment you are most proud of.
So while I was doing ninth standard, there was a speech competition. So I was not prepared at that time. After the announcement was made that everyone should speak in front of the judges, likewise they made. So I started preparing when the speech was started. The first person started the speech. I started writing the details about the topic which was given to me. So just in 10 minutes, I started preparing and gave the details about the topic and I gave the speech to the judges. So they appreciated me and I gave more details about that. The topic was related to pollution. So they gave me that second prize to me. So I can say that that was the best.
Good. What is your dream job?
So to be placed in a better position to give my knowledge and my ideas to the nation.
Mhm. Okay. Then, who is your mentor?
My father is my mentor.
What is the role? What is the quality you would like to copy from him?
So persistence, multitasking skill, and hard work.
Very good. So, which is your favorite website?
Uh, Now I am watching new videos on YouTube, so I can say that YouTube
Uh,
my favorite.
what do you like the most and
Yes, sir.
least about working in Ecgc?
I have not started at working with ECGC, so I can say that more advantages are available in ECGC because ECGC is a very old and very experienced organization with a very focused domain. So we can increase our knowledge and we can increase our productivity.
Oh, can
That's
you
the best.
can you tell a few points about Ecgc that stays in your mind?
So ECGC is expert taking care of the corporation. They are completely taking care of our export industry. by clearing the way for the exporters, like taking care of the risk, both political and commercial risk. So they are giving insurance guarantee to the banks and the insurance covers to the. And also they are covering line of credit covers, factoring business, overseas investment insurance. That was they are giving their services. That was started in 1957, 30th July. First chairman MD was T.C. Kapoor. Now the current chairman was Dr. Mr. M. Senthil.
That's all.
The government of India enterprise recently they revised the policy called export credit insurance for banks hold turnover packaging credit for the small exporters. They are having a special concern for the small exporters.
Did you
recently government? Yes.
Yeah. Did you go through the annual report of?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes.
What did you learn from the latest annual report? What is the annual report that is available latest?
The 63rd annual report that was for the year 2020 to 21.
Very good. Can you tell some salient points that you are able to remember after going through that Ecgc annual report?
So the whole business size was around 6 lakh crores. And the total income from premium was around 1,062 crores. And they made recoveries for around 117 crores. So these are the starting points.
Who are the bankers of our Ecgc?
Mainly the all nationalized banks.
No. It is given in the report as Union Bank of India, previously Corporation Bank, and IDBI Bank. That's what they have given.
But recently they revised the policy, export credit insurance for banks whole turnover package. So for that, State Bank of India has selected as the financing agency.
Very good, very good. So can you name? You said Senthil Nathan as chairman and managing director. Then what is the name of executive directors? 2 people are there.
Yes, sir. First one is Sunil Joshi.
Correct. Second one
was Ambarasan.
Srimati Padmavati. Srimati Padmavati. Good. Excellent. Very good. Yeah, there are other directors like say Aparna Bhatia, Sirish Chandra Marmu, and other names. Doesn't matter. They are all not required. Yeah. But at least you should know how many directors are there. That figure you get to know.
10 directors, 10 or 8 directors.
Very good. Excellent. Yeah. So as on, say, our 2021, what is the total number of policies that they have? And also, what is the total number of premium income they are receiving?
So I know the premium income that was around 1,062 crores.
Correct. Good. What about policies? In terms of crores, 6,02,800 crore. 6,02,000. Acha, it is not the policies. It is the value of business covered. Value of business covered is 6,02,801.54. Good. How much was the claim paid in 2020-21? Roughly
1,046.
1,046. Good. Very good. There is something given as recoveries made. What is that recoveries made? I don't understand. Could you follow?
Recoveries, some problems, some risk due to some risk, some payment of the payer
So
was not made to the exporter. So they recovered.
After making premium, after making claim payment, they are recovering probably.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Very good. That's a
They
nice
recovered
thing.
from the payers.
That's a nice thing. Good. Excellent. Yeah. Good. So what is the help Ecgc is doing to improvise our economy?
So if you take our economic growth, the four things are majorly contributing. First one is consumer expenditure. Second one is government spending. The third one is investment, foreign investment. The fourth one is export. So they are actually clearing the way for the exporters by taking care of the risk available. Because nowadays more risk are rising in the countries like Ukraine, Russia, and Sri Lanka. Likewise, more countries. So they are taking care of the risk. So they are giving trust for the exporters. And as we all know, as we're moving through Atmanirbhar Bharat scheme, so everything wanted to be manufactured indigenously. We started exporting things which we use. Defense manufacturing.
Can you tell me what is the share capital of Ecgc as on 2021 March?
I did not go through, sir.
6,365.22 crore.
It is visible to me. Your PDF is visible to me.
Acha, I will make it visible. 1 minute.
So it is visible.
It is visible. Acha. Good. There is nothing wrong in it being visible. If you remember an answer, that is sufficient for me. Because it's only learning that we are doing. Acha, they have made a payment of dividend also, it seems. The board of directors pleased to recommend a full and final dividend of ₹5 per equity share. And the total dividend amounts to ₹159.50, representing a payout ratio of 34.65 of the PAT of rupees profit after tax of 460.31 crore. Good. So that is right. Now, do you remember there is one more point? What is the net profit made roughly? It's given here 460.31 crore. Okay. Karthikeyan, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good.
All right.
Yeah. Now let me come to other aspects. Now, please tell me about the Sri Lankan crisis.
Sri Lanka is facing the economic crisis because if you take the COVID period time, the tourism industry was mostly affected because of the control of all those transport facilities. And Sri Lanka started losing their income, and their money started depreciating. So they have to pay more for the imports of items. So they are totally dependent on the import of items from other countries. And also they followed implemented a scheme called organic farming, so that they was in the thought of doing every cultivation activities through organic. We do not use any artificial fertilizers on. So using that, it usually takes time to cultivate the items and meet the demands. So by following that, they faced a more scarcity of essential items, oils, basic items. So what did sir? People started hiding the essential items. All those prices of the goods and services were rising. So at the last, they couldn't able to have with all those activities, and they have a more depth.
What is the recent controversy about China, Sri Lanka, India?
China's spice Wang Hang 5 was on the Nile through Indian Ocean. It was planned to dock in the Hambantota port in Sri Lanka. So what India is afraid that whether it is spying our area, because in Indian Ocean the two atomic power stations are available. Kudankulam or Kalpakkam atomic power station. So we're just fearing that whether it is to by our ideas and the
No,
our work.
what is the latest development in that? I read the latest development was about India giving some.
Yes, sir. It's a Dornier 228 aircraft to Sri Lanka.
What is it they have given?
Dornier 228 aircraft
Ah, correct. Good.
to Sri Lanka.
Very good. Very good. Tell us about yourself, more especially
Yes.
linking on points that makes you eligible for being recruited as Ecgc PO.
Sir, I worked as a pre-insurance insurer, like in the underwriting department. So I have some knowledge on insurance. So that's the one thing.
Acha? Oh, where did you work? In the company where you worked last, correct?
Chennai, yes, sir.
Chennai.
Yes, sir. The last company.
Oh,
You know why I should.
Oh, very good, very good.
So I came to know about the importance of insurance. So how to handle that, and also I know the demands and the pre-check while insuring everything, any activities. So I had some knowledge on that. Also the other qualities like time management, teamwork, and I gave a very good productive results in my previous organization. These are the things say that I'm eligible for the post business officer.
Good. Now, tell me about the recent dollar-rupee crisis.
So
Hello.
every trade, yes, sir. Every trade-related activities will be settled, was settled on only in an dollar. So recently, our Reserve Bank of Governor, the trade, the import and export, the amount should be settled in rupee itself. There's no problem. Like this is it. And our money started depreciating to compared to dollar because more dollar domination. So we reached around 80 rupees compared to $1. This was the crisis happened, and our government announced that everything will be done in a rupee settlement, so that we can have a more not more depreciation of rupee in the future.
Good. Now, 1 minute. Yeah. What is the latest news you have read so far? I mean, last 2-3 days, whatever news you are staying, relating to your place, relating to the state where you are staying. What is the news you have read?
Usually, Bharat Biotech, which is a pharma industry, is going to launch intranasal vaccine for COVID-19. So we have get approval from the department.
Okay.
And Ola Electric, they are going to launch the electric car by 2024. And the government has announced that to improve the container manufacturing because of more demand for the exports. So they announced that to push the manufacturing of containers. That's one of the news. And that's also related to Sri Lanka because we actually near to the Sri Lanka, Rameshwaram. So the Sri Lankan crisis was still going on. More people are getting away from the Sri Lanka and including to the nearest sea areas of Tamil Nadu, Nagapattinam, Rameshwaram. So this is happening every day.
Acha, can you please tell us about some of the financial institutions, important financial institutions in our country? Names, only names.
So there are four all India financial institutions. First one is CTDI, Exim Bank, National Housing Bank, and the NABARD.
Good. Very good. Who is the chairman of NABARD?
Chintala.
Govindarajulu Chintala. Correct.
Yes, sir.
So what do you know about the role played by SEBI and NPCI?
SEBI is a Security Exchange Board of India, is completely responsible for our stock market related activities. So they are taking care of the markets, security markets, like getting approval, giving the directions, giving guidelines. So everything done by our SEBI. NPC is National Payment Corporation of India. These are the this is the board for our online transaction, online financial activities. So they started in 2008. They started many revolutions in the our online transactions like UPI, Bharat, BIM, app, everything.
Good. Can you tell me what is DICGC? What is GIC?
DICGC stands for Deposit Insurance Credit Guarantee Corporation. It's under Reserve Bank of India, one of the 5 subsidiaries. Under that, the maximum amount insured for the depositors was 5 lakhs. The second one is GIC, stands for General Insurance Company, which is the top insurance company of our government of India.
Very good. Good. What is the expansion of NSDL?
National Securities Depository Limited.
What is the expansion of NIBM?
NIBM.
NIBM. N for Navy, I for India, B for Bombay, M for Madras. National Institute of Bank Management. Chairman is the RBI governor. It is headquarters in Pune. Okay. Very good. I think more or less you are answering everything correctly. No problem. Best wishes. Do you have any questions to ask? You are doing well. No problem. So which date is your interview? September 21.
No, sir. 6th.
Very good. No, nice. You be in touch with the current affair news. Also about insurance, vagera. Then go and attend the interview with confidence. You can do very well. Best wishes. So, today, I will rate you at 9 out of 10.
Thank you, sir.
Today,
sir, I have a question, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, whether the question like why banking after engineering is expected here or not? Because this is an insurance related company.
No, but they can ask you, why do you want to come to Ecgc and not go for your civil engineering? The obvious answer is there are not sufficient job opportunities in our, there are not sufficient job opportunities civil engineering. And I am hopeful of an excellent career here. And I am suitable for this post. So I would like to come here. Could you understand?
Yes, sir.
Good. Today your performance was good. I don't know what I told last time. Last time, how many marks did I give you?
Around 8.5 out of 10.
Now that means this time you have improved. Good.
No, sir. Last time was like a CTDI grade A officer. That was 2 months before.
You missed how many marks did you score in the interview in the CTDI?
Sir, totally 67.72.
Only.
Cutoff was, yes, sir. Cutoff was 68.7 out of 100.
Out of 100, 68 was the cutoff, and you scored 66.
67.
67. Oh, that 1 mark, if you have scored more, you could have got it. Interview, did they tell you the marks?
Yes, sir. Around 79.
Good. Same thing as I gave you. I gave you last time 8 point. But one thing, I'm not able to see you, not required, but you go as a cheerful person and be happy always. Okay. Could
The
you follow?
places around totally things are there. That's why I'm not showing the videos.
Pardon?
So, sir, the place I'm sitting here is full of
I know.
things.
I know. Problem.
That's why.
Yeah. I know. I don't want it to come. No problem. But you are doing well. But it is very unfortunate you missed the bus last time. Or is your name in the waiting list or not?
No, sir. No, sir. That was around 0.28 waiting list.
Oh, only 0.8. Anyhow, you have done well this time. You can do still better. Prepare yourself actively. Go through not only my materials, if you have some other materials also go through, prepare well. And I have not asked about buyer's line of credit, letter of credit, and those things that can be asked that way. You prepare for them also. Good. Thank you. Thank you. Now, Samyukta, I will close this video and come again. You please join so that we can go for your interview. Karthikeyan, is it okay for us to use this in our last time SIDBI? Did I post it in the YouTube? Yeah, it was.
Yes, sir. You had posted. No problem. You can post it in.
Very good. Thank you. Good.